Does showing up online ever feels a bit terrifying? Where your heart races, your voice shakes, and suddenly visibility feels more like exposure than expression? Now, what if I told you that feeling of being unsafe when you're seen isn't weakness, it's the wisdom of your body, remembering what unsafe once felt like? I remember the first time I hit record, my voice trembled, and I deleted it several times before posting that video. But that fear wasn't failure. It was my body trying to protect me. And for many of us, especially those who have spent years supporting others, it can awaken old memories of being judged, misunderstood, or criticized. So today I want to talk about why being seen can feel unsafe and how to reframe visibility so it becomes a beautiful act of expression and not exposure. When we decide to show up online, we're not just sharing content, we're sharing ourselves. And that can touch emotional wounds we didn't even know were still there. You might wonder, will people judge you? Or will they understand you? Or will you be accepted if they see the real you? And this happens because somewhere along the way, your nervous system learned that being visible equals being unsafe. Now, as you step into this new chapter of creating something meaningful online, your body remembers the old equation: visibility equals danger, and those stories come rushing back. But this time, they wear new disguises. Looks like procrastination, perfectionism, or self doubt. Starting an online business isn't just a technical journey, it's an emotional awakening. The content, the posting, they all act like mirrors reflecting the parts of ourselves we have hidden or avoided. You're not just creating videos, you're creating a new identity, and that can trigger thoughts like, what if no one watches? What if they do and they judge? Or who am I to do this? Maybe you felt that way too. You sit down to record and suddenly every old doubt rushes in. But here's a thought I'd like you to consider. Your visibility isn't a threat, it's your healing. It's how you reclaim your voice after years of staying quiet. It's how you rewrite those old stories that once said it's safer to stay invisible. Now, if this is resonating with you, take a deep breath and remember, you're just being called higher, and this fear isn't a stop sign, it's a signal that you're growing. Now, let's flip the narrative. Visibility isn't exposure, it's expression. You're not performing for approval, you're revealing your truth in service to others. When you speak from your heart, you're not trying to be perfect, you're being present. You're saying, this is what I've experienced, this is what I've learned, and maybe it can help you too. The question then becomes not what will they think of me, but who can I serve by being myself? That shift changes everything. Because now visibility isn't about proving yourself, it's about offering yourself. You're not seeking validation, you're extending transformation. So here's how you can make visibility feel safe again. Start small. Record a short video just for yourself so you can get comfortable seeing your own face and hearing your own voice. Number two, ground yourself before you begin to create. Say a short prayer or take a few deep breaths or even whisper to yourself, it's safe to be seen. By doing any of these, you're gently reprogramming your nervous system. The third thing, remember your why. You're not posting for likes. You're posting for impact, for legacy. And number four, speak to one person. Picture one person only. That person who needs hope, structure, or encouragement today. Forget speaking to the crowd. Visibility doesn't require performance. It requires presence. Remember, your visibility isn't about ego. It's about purpose. It's the space where your courage and your care meets your calling. And when you show up as yourself, you give others permission to do the same thing. You remind them that it's safe to dream, safe to speak, and safe to be seen. So the next time that fear shows up before you post, remember, you're not exposing yourself, you're expressing yourself, and your expression might be the exact thing someone else need to finally believe they can too. Yes, visibility might feel vulnerable, but vulnerability equals connection, and connection is where your impact begins. So record those short videos. Get comfortable seeing your own face and hearing your own voice in camera, and things will shift. I'm Lorna, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way.